Hello children, Standard 2 Mathematics. Today we will start lesson 9, Measurement of Mass, that is your weight. In your last chapter you have learned about measurement of length, where you have studied whether an object is longer or shorter, big or small, or a place is far or near. So here we will learn whether an object is heavier or lighter. So we use a beam balance to measure the weight of an object like your cereal, vegetables and other grocery. This is your beam balance. In this beam balance you have two pen. In this pen, if you will keep a heavier object, it will move down, and if you will keep a lighter object, it will move upward. And if you will keep equal on both the pen will be on the same level. Like this you can measure whether the object is heavier or lighter. In the next exercise, in your exercise 1, it is asking put a tick mark for the heavier pen. So some pictures are given. In both the pens some objects are kept, like here you can see 5 apples are kept in left pen, and on the right pen 2 mangoes are there. So you have to tick mark which is the heavier pen. So as we have learned, the pen which goes downward is heavier, so you put a tick mark on the left pen. Here you can see the right pen is going downward, that means it is heavier, so you put a tick mark here. Then in your third picture you can see where on the left pen book is kept which is heavier, so you put a tick mark. Here you can put a tick mark on your left pen, here on the left pen, here on the right pen. In exercise B, it is asking to write L for the light and H for heavy. You can see with the pen which is going downward, you have to write there, you know it is heavy, so you have to write H here, and the pen which is moving upward, it is light, so you will write L. Here also you can see the right one is going down, so we will write H, and the left one is going upward, so we will put L. Here also left one is heavier, so we will write H, it is moving down, and the right one is going upward, so it is light. In exercise C, it is given that 4 crayons weigh the same as dash sharpener. So in one, on the left pen 4 crayons are kept, and on the right pen 3 sharpeners are kept. So they are telling that 4 crayon weighs the same as 3 sharpeners. So we will write 3 sharpeners. On the left hand it is kept, geometry box is kept. On the right hand oranges are kept. So it is asking weight of the geometry box is dash oranges. So we will write 1, 2, 3. 3 oranges. Now we will see what is the standard unit of weight. The weight of an object is measured in kilogram and the small quantity are measured in gram. So we have here, you see 1 kilogram has 1000 grams. So we can write it like this. Kilogram you will write short form as kg, and gram you can write as g. So 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 gram. Okay. Like your 5 kilogram will be written as 5 kg and your 10 gram is written as 10 g. These are the commonly used weight. You can see it is starting from 5 gram to your 500 gram, and in kg 1 gram to your 1 kg to your 20 kg.